guys, hold on. I want to show you what a university should look like. Your university should not look like a prison. Look at this one here in Ghana. No wonder you guys want me to come here. This place is huge. So let's just pretend that I school here now. And I'm going for lectures. So I don't want it to look like I took the videos from the internet and stuff like that. That's why I'm in the picture. Beautiful environment for school. Like school, the government-owned university. So I don't know, if I tell you it's the most beautiful, don't come for me, okay? It's what I'm saying. So we have been touring around. So let me show you guys the other side, how it looks like. Yeah, I consider to be the most beautiful. Hey loves, all right, thank you for clicking. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you all know, I am still in Cape Coast. So my tour guide in person of Albert hooked me up with this amazing place. Okay, so before now I have heard a lot about the University of Cape Coast, Ghana. So how it is the number 1 in West Africa and the number 4 in Africa, rank 21 in a lot of countries and stuff like that. That debate has been ongoing, but it's not a debate, it's a confirmation. And yeah, if you want to know more, Google is your friend. So guys, Albert hooked me up with this beauty here, and I said, okay, why not? Let's do like a drive-through, because it's a very big campus. It's not something I can do in a day. If I want to like come down and walk, go to hall by halls, you know, faculty by faculty, I will not be able to finish touring. So I said, okay, let's do a drive-through. By the way, thank you for clicking. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lillian. I am still here in Cape Coast. So, but then guys, let's do this quickly. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. Put it on there that says all, so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. And by the way, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. We were losing daylight. I have a lot of commitment today. I have other places to go. I was just coming from the slave castle, which kind of changed my mood, made me moody. I just didn't like the stories that had the history and stuff like that by the tour guide around it. So what I wanted to do was just go back to the room and wait for the 6 o'clock event that will be happening here in Cape Coast. But then Albert said he insists that we go to the uni. Okay, so finally I'm here. I'm happy, I'm excited, looking at all this natural beauty, just the way you know I love it. Nothing more. Exactly how I love it. Trees planted all over the place. The place is so organized. The campus is organized, beautiful, large. I cannot begin to tell you. They have two sections, the old and the new, which is not something I can do all, but I am going to try my best since it's a drive-through, so I can show you guys just like a sneak peek of what's up in here. So if you're schooling here or if you schooled here, let me see you down in the comment section. Okay, if you schooled here or if you're schooling here, I envy you, because this I consider conducive study environment. Trust me, it is absolutely beautiful to get up every day, get dressed, get ready to go to for lectures in environments like this. You come back, oh guys, you make this your home for 4 years, above or below, as the case may be. Yeah, guys, this is how pretty the school looks. Your own definition of beauty might not be this, but to me, this is what I considered beautiful, because everywhere looks greenish, natural, very healthy for human living. And the halls are massive, and the lecture halls, the administrative halls. Guys, this place is well organized. This is world class university. Before you ask me which and which have you been to, okay, please, I'm not comparing this to yours or any. This is just like really beautiful, and it's fair to share. Okay, so yeah, let's just continue to do the tour, guys. We drove for more than, it took us like an hour to get through, like, and at the end of the day we did not get through because I told you there are two sections, the old and the new. So you can imagine how it would be like to go all. So we drove to some points here, and then we realized there was a political party rally going on here. So what we did, we stopped by for some pictures because I needed to take pictures, even though I don't remember to
If you post me when I catch
lately.
you,
Let's just snap
I
and
will
keep them
beat
in the
you
phone,
because this
guys.
place is cute.
All right, so I am super duper excited. For some of us that never had opportunity for a life like this, when we see one, we love it. Okay, so yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a walk through to the Faculty of Law and Humanity. According to my tour guide, he that you're looking at right now graduated from the school, so they were in better position to take me through. I was worried because I didn't want to film and then know the usual, you know how YouTubers are being treated here in Africa. You get it. We love to see things like this, but we are not allowed access to the place. And YouTube have not come up with any, equipment. It's okay. Like, this is how I intend to support and send you out to wherever. So I do not work with a press house. I do not work with, I'm not a journalist, by the way. Okay, so accessing some places can be really difficult, but hey, we moved. So I was worried. I didn't want to film. They were like, oh no, feel free, please, this is not this and that, and I said, okay, let's give it a try. So here it is, and all that my lens could behold is what you are seeing. I mean, some of the places that I could come down and then just want to take a picture or something, I saw like the security guards, but then nobody cautioned me, nobody said anything. I was still in fear because by the time they come at me, hey, what are you doing? When I tell them I'm a YouTuber, nobody takes you serious. So we are still struggling in Africa with this, but yeah, we move always. So I'm happy. Today nobody told me, hey madam, stop filming, delete the clips, or come for questioning and stuff like that. Oh, this place is fine, sha. Like, what hall was this again? What hall is this? Is it administrative or what? I cannot remember because I like went to many places. We drove through the hostels and the rest. You see how massive, beautiful hostels looks. Okay, so let's say I'm a student for a day. So guys, this is how I'll be working every day to my classroom and then walk out for lectures. Look at me. So yeah, it's really amazing, and I'm glad I came. It's kind of like helped me get back to my mood, because after the slave castle history, I think that's why I'm delaying that video, because this came even after that. But like, trust me, the world is not changing. People are still kidnapping people. So why do I talk about this that we have been dealing with for years? It's still the same. Like, people forcing other people, selling their brothers, selling their friends, people betraying people for gifts, for money. So it's the same thing as what is happening right now in the world, where people kidnap other people, demand for ransom, use that money to buy cars, build houses, do weddings, send their kids to expensive schools. So what's the difference? I don't see the difference. The world has not changed one bit. So I'm going to bring that video later, because yeah, I'll bring it because I already filmed it, but the world is still the same. So let's talk about education. Like, let's just show you guys around education, where I believe is the solution for a lot of the struggles in Africa, a lot of the unanswered questions in Africa. Because if you have access to education, there are possibility of you staying away from certain things, because of the opportunities that you have been equipped to be able to understand and know how to maneuver your life, your way through life, even though the jobs are not there, but you are better off than people who never had it. And so coming out from the slave castle to the future, which is education, I am absolutely excited with the whole idea. I'm proud of this video. Okay, so it came up before. I have a lot of videos from Cape Coast that are yet to be out here, which I'm definitely going to bring to you guys. Okay, so but let's do this one first. Let's talk about the future first, then we'll talk about the past. The castle is our past, which still hurts, but then we are moving strong, and all our brothers and sisters are returning home gradually. It's just a matter of time they will all come back. Guys, I have a beautiful video. Yeah, the beautiful video. All the videos are beautiful, but this particular one is where we did like a welcome party for our black sisters and brothers who have come back to Africa to join us, to be with us, who have seen the need to return home, to trace their roots. It's a beauty to behold. I don't know, like I felt really good. But then, in all you do, there's one thing that you enjoy the most. So this video happens to be my favorite, because this is about the future and the fact that it is so organized like this. We live in a continent where most times young people are not are not being treated right. So when I see something like this that I consider to be fairness, to be fair to the youth, you go to an environment, school environment, you come out, um it's just going to train you to also want to have an environment like this for yourself. Trust me, as a matter of fact, if you stay here for 4 years, you school here for 4 years, when you come out, you want a continuation of this type of surrounding for yourself. And that is the power we're talking about. So let's do this first. That is why those videos are delaying. I have a bunch of videos coming from here, okay, from Cape Coast. I am proud of all of them. I'm going to look back some days and I'll be like, really, I did this? Just like the other day, I took a minute. I had not really watch my videos from the Quail trip, especially the one I filmed on my way to Aflam Plains. So a few days ago, I took time to watch the video and I cried tears of joy. With a mobile phone, outdated Apple phone, I was able to put that together, guys. This is no cap, okay? No brag intended. This is just, some things you do them unconsciously, but later you look back and you feel so good you did. This video is such video that I want to look back and remember all these things that I've said, that I'm saying to you right now. Oh my god. So I did not tell you that our car broke down. So, and then already it's above 6 o'clock and I have to get going to the welcome party we have here. People are coming from all over Africa. Nigeria, we had the Igbo king from Nigeria. We're going to get to that anyway, but for now, guys, our car broke down and I decided to take a walk and just film. This happened to be my most favorite, like my favorite spot in the whole campus. You know why? If you have been following me and you are a true observer of Lily, you can tell why. I love. I do not know. For now, I do not own my own landing or my own landing property or a piece of land is okay. I know when I do own one, there's no way I'm going to spare trees. I'm going to plant a lot of them. This is absolutely beautiful. And with environment like this, just a little structure that you put, it will come out nicely. So this is the secret. Okay, guys, I have an event to attend, so I think that we should call this video a bye. We should draw the curtain here. So we took a walk a little more while while my tour guide was busy trying to fix the car. We took a walk down the street, down the road. This is where we're actually heading, and then I spotted this beautiful couple here. Not to invent their privacy, I decided to film them from afar. They came to do their photo shoot, their wedding photo shoot here. I mean, not pre-wedding, I mean actual wedding. When an environment is so cute, so that kind of reassured me that I am not alone. Do you know that song? You are not alone. So I'm not the only one that love environments like this. So yeah, I hope that you love this video and that you subscribe and then you give this video a big, massive, unapologetic thumbs up. As you do that, I will see you in my next one. Ciao. Thank you. Yeah. Au revoir. Bye bye. I love you.